Welcome, I'm Mike. Today I'm going to explain to you how you set up a home studio.
Check it out.
As you're aware, the year 2020 has been very complicated. We have witnessed a coronavirus that has spread throughout the world and changed our lives forever. That includes the way we work. And for this reason, we've been encouraged for our safety to use home studios or to work at home. Even if you don't have a technical background, we're going to show you exactly what to do. We want to simplify this process for you by explaining what equipment you need and how to put it together in order to have a successful live stream. So let's get started with cameras. What camera are you going to get? The choice you have is absolutely massive. So identify what it is you want to achieve. Are you a streamer who wants to get your videos onto Facebook Live, Twitch or YouTube? Or are you a live broadcaster who wants to deal with television stations? Once you've identified your goal, the choice of camera is obvious. So you can use a smartphone or tablet, you can use a DSLR or a small video camera, or you can use a broadcast camera. Something else to consider is, are you using more than one camera? If so, remember you have to double up your bandwidth. Moving on, to take your video from amateur to professional, an investment in a tripod is necessary. A tripod will keep your video looking steady instead of shaky and amateur, and it's super simple to set up. The choice of your tripod will basically depend on the type of camera you've already chosen. If you're going for a smartphone, then probably this will be sufficient. If you're going for a broadcast camera or a DSLR, then you need something a bit more substantial, something that can carry the weight. General rule of thumb is, the bigger the camera, the bigger the tripod. The next aspect we're going to be talking about is lighting. It doesn't have to be complicated, all you need is a couple of lights. Or even a ring light. The thing I love about lighting is, when it's done properly, you don't even notice it. Everything is natural. It's only when you take away the light, you realise how bad it could have been. So by using a 3-point light, a key light, a fill light and a backlight, your results will be fantastic. Keeping a clear and crisp audio through your live stream requires a good microphone. A simple lavalier microphone worn on your shirt is commonly used among streamers. If you are a professional broadcaster and need to communicate with your newsroom, you can utilise TVU's Party Line. This is a video conferencing app that you can use. It has real-time, high quality, it's an IFB, so your communication with your newsroom to yourself is rapid, crisp, clear and professional. If you have lines or scripts to remember, using a teleprompter will allow you to maintain a level of professionalism throughout your stream. There's no need to download any more teleprompting apps or have any more hardware. You simply need to use TVU's solutions. They include the TV1, the Anywhere and the Party Line. All of these act as teleprompters, all in one. Lastly, don't forget the importance of a strong connection during your live streams. Wireless network and wired Ethernet connections that provide 100 megabytes per second are good enough to go live. Equipment like the TVU1, which provides a high level of performance and redundant connectivity across multiple wireless provider networks, or the TVU Anywhere app, which bonds multiple connections together and utilises HEVC encoding, which will help maintain a reliable and strong connection while you go live. With tools like this, it's time to relax. You can concentrate on doing your lines or playing your Fortnite game. You don't have to worry about a drop in quality or losing the internet connection altogether. Now that you've got all your equipment together, setting up your home studio is really super straightforward. This is what we did when we compiled all those things we discussed earlier to make our own home studio. One more thing before we say goodbye, a broadcasting tip to remember. Please test all your components once or twice before broadcast to save yourself embarrassment. Thank you once again and goodbye.